Oh my god, you guys, what's up? Welcome back to Clevver Style. We realized that we've been in our new space for a couple of weeks now, and we've never actually showed you what the space looks like. And there's like a lot to see, like a lot. So today, Sinead and I are shooting a bunch of stuff for Clevver News. If you haven't subscribed to that channel, you should. Do it. And we're shooting a bunch of stuff for Clevver Style today. So it's really early, by the way. It's very, very early. And look at our hard-working news team over here.
I don't have makeup on yet.
Emil, you always look beautiful.
Oh, thank you, Sinead.
You're welcome. You have a daily right now, right?
I do.
Okay, so I'm gonna kind of follow Sinead, putting her eyebrows on and shooting her first daily. Yeah, a lot of you always want to know, like, how do I work at Clevver? I want to work at Clevver. What is it like working at Clevver? Well, this video should answer all of your questions.
Do you have a key?
I do, but my dog already chewed it up.
Oh, EJ, here to save the day.
EJ, okay, say hello to the people.
What's up, dude?
EJ is like the brain power behind Clevver News. He helps us shoot every single daily. He corrects us when we mispronounce things.
Totally.
And yeah, he's been with us for forever. And when we rebuilt the team, we were like, we have to bring EJ back. Sinead, you already looked great.
I didn't put my eyebrows on, I told you.
Are you finding them in that bag?
In my suitcase? in my makeup suitcase?
Literally, how much makeup did you bring today?
I live really far. I bring it all. For some reason, I can't find my brow pencil.
Okay, while we're letting you figure your stuff out, this is our new, like, green room, I guess you call it. Yeah. We've shot a couple things in here too, but it's so much nicer than our old makeup room because that place was so dirty and had like 7,000 people's hair on the floor.
Like a lot of it was my hair, I'm not gonna lie.
There's like a whole other land back here that was built out with costumes. This is the stuff that didn't get stolen from our last place. All right, the time is nigh.
Put my eyebrows on. Now we can film.
They literally look exactly the same. Oh, should I be kicked out of here? This is like an exclusive talent only space.
Feel free to like film me through the window, you know?
There she is, just doing the hard work. Yep, getting herself positioned, mentally focused. Excited to be here. Hot chocolate's kicking in. Just Sinead in the wild. Also, I want to lean on this wall just because the sign says don't lean on it.
It's a window. Not a wall.
It's actually pretty comfortable to lean on this wall. So,
I love how the exclamation point is like bolded.
It's because it's a window and I don't want anyone to fall out.
Wait, is the outside back here?
Yeah.
No! This is a safety hazard! Why didn't you tell me?
Disney's live-action version of The Lion King dropped the official movie posters, and the unanimous concern of the infamous warthog has taken the internet by storm. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me right here on Clevver News, and I'll see you guys next time.
Woohoo! Thanks, EJ. Oh, I almost got lost. I forgot that it was in this room. All right, you guys might remember this room from the old studio. It's basically the exact same set, but in just a little bit of a smaller space. DHR is now a daily show. It wasn't daily for a while, now it's back. Also, this is the Rumor Patrol set. You guys definitely remember that. And then on this wall is the Cheat Day set, and the Beauty Break set is right next door, I think. I don't know. Can you tell I'm still trying to figure it out myself?
All right, I got my lip gloss. The video can continue. But we actually started the tour in the back of the office, which I don't know why we did that. Maybe it's because that's where we all sit.
And there's really good lighting.
Actually, that's true. This is a little backlit. But this is actually our lobby.
Woohoo!
We're not on the wall just yet, but
And we don't have a receptionist just yet.
yeah. We got some magazines and some candy. And then this is the kitchen. I can actually have you hold this because I'm gonna have some coffee now.
Okay, yes. Let's take us through your morning routine, Alicia Marie.
I wouldn't usually drink coffee having not pooped today, but I'm just gonna have to do this, you know, and hope for the best. So look at this thing. Did you even know this thing existed?
Ooh, it's
I
a
forget
little
what it's called now.
slot.
What's it called?
A pouch, a packet, a baggie. This is where you can also sit and eat lunch and, you know, actually have a place to sit versus where we were at our last place where you just ate on top of your keyboard.
Yeah, or the floor. All right, I'm taking over because Erin and Emil are getting ready to shoot.
Hi.
DHR. You guys look great.
Thank you.
Um,
Just go ahead, sorry.
I thought you were gonna stick it underneath the table.
No, figuring it out.
Brandon was gonna be like, oh, hell no. You guys know Brandon, obviously, right? You might be asking yourself, is that a GQ model? No, it's just Brandon. It's just Brandon. By just Brandon, I mean only the greatest person ever. Saves all of our lives on the daily here at Clevver.
On the Daily Hollywood Rundown.
On the Daily Hollywood Rundown.
Oh,
But
yeah.
What's on the docket for today? What are we talking about?
So we're doing a recap of the biggest stories of the week. You know, the usual.
The usual.
Katy Perry's new song?
Yes.
Oh, good. Thank God.
Erin already has it memorized.
Pretty much. I mean, let's not go that far. I'm still working on it. I might do a cover. No, I'm just kidding.
All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next weekend.
Bye, you guys.
That was excellent, you guys.
Thanks, Sinead.
So, Emil, you pulled all those stories. You did all the research.
Yes.
You put the whole script together.
Yeah,
That's
and-
a lot of work, you guys.
Well, it's supposed to be done throughout the week. I had a meeting yesterday, so I had to leave early, but yes.
But also, you can't help when every single music artist decides to drop new music, right?
You're
'Cause
right.
That's a real thing.
You're right. Keeps us busy.
At the mercy of the biz.
Yeah.
You know?
All right, Emil. We'll see you for lunch in a little
Love
bit.
you.
Love
See
you.
you later. Wait, what are we having?
I don't know. That's it's a big decision that needs to be made
I
still.
think we have to pop right in.
Oh,
to
sweet.
beauty break, like literally.
Are we beauty breaking it?
Literally 30 seconds later. Are you ready for us?
Action.
What?
We're rolling.
This is the life of a very busy couple of girls here at Clevver Media.
No, but what I'm really sad about is we have to take all the makeup that you've been putting on all morning. You have to take it off and then you have to put it back on again.
But that's the exciting part.
Is it?
It's beauty break time, and actually, by the time this comes out, they'll already have seen
Yeah, there's
this.
an iCard right here you can click to watch us try Kylie Jenner's brand new skincare line. You guys have to go watch this episode. Sinead and I both are like the excited.
Oh, sorry. I wasn't really even looking at the camera, to be honest with you.
Kylie Jenner got a lot of hate for this. Everybody's like, oh, her cloth was dirty. She had makeup on. She did not have makeup on. I think the
No.
cloth was already dirty before she put it on her face.
Yeah, I can't believe like a Twitter battle broke out because of how Kylie washes her skin. Like, let's be real, people. All right, you guys, we're about to start filming.
Enough chit chat. We have to shoot on another camera.
Yay!
Kylie skincare scene one takeaway marker.
Hey, you guys, welcome back to Beauty Break. We're so excited.
So excited.
Because we have our hands on the ultra exclusive Kylie Jenner skincare, Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. I don't know how we have budget or availability to have this on the show, but we do. It's a miracle.
If you're wondering why I look like Night of the Living Dead, it's
You
'cause
cannot look
I
that.
do, don't lie.
Is it
No, it's
caffeine?
genetic. I asked the doctor, I was like, what do we do to fix this? Like, what needle do I need?
What filler?
Yeah, and she was like, oh, honey, you know, that's a genetic thing. There's a name for it. It's like a capillary thing. Your capillaries are really close to the surface of your skin. It runs in my family.
That's cool.
So it's basically just blood vessels. That's why they're so dark, but they do. I look like a freaking zombie. So we just finished beauty break.
Yep, and I am almost finished with my coffee, which if you guys know, that's a miracle. I like only drink a third of my coffee. and throw it
I
away.
do the same thing. I sip on a coffee for like 6 hours until it's like so room temperature. It's
That is
disgusting.
disgusting. Yes,
Yeah.
same. So this is quite frankly a miracle. And
Yeah.
now I'm like caffeinated, so we have to go put our faces back on again.
Again.
For another
But I
video.
did see a question the other day in the comments. People ask all the time, actually. Do you guys get to keep the products that you try on Beauty Break? Because we do like unbox a lot of like exclusive stuff or like blogger stuff. Not even most of the stuff is sent to us. Bridget just is like a wizard when it comes to getting products, and if we really
want it.
like them, we can take them home, you know?
Yeah.
So right now from the Kylie Jenner skin collection, I'm gonna take this toner because I am really a
I
fan.
might take the wipes, honestly, because you can never have too many makeup wipes.
Ever. And we're gonna go put our faces back on. I'm gonna go put all like orange underneath my eyes.
Are you okay?
I was trying to hide it.
You're so silly.
All right, so we're gonna go to lunch in just a few minutes with Emil and Susan. We're just waiting for them to finish DHR. So in the meantime, we thought we would just show you around the office a little bit. You guys already met some of the newsfeed people, but there's a lot of people
Behind the scenes.
behind the scenes.
But you will recognize his handsome face right here.
I'm
He
back.
loves that I just said that, by the way.
I do.
This is something that we didn't really see a lot in our old building, but this is post. It's not dark and cavernous over here.
Oh, yeah,
Actually,
it's not
they
like a
have
cave.
light, there's people around.
Hey guys.
Everybody's like working really hard. I feel.
Ooh,
kind of
sorry, I'm
bad
so sorry.
To distract.
Here is the Clevver Style peeps.
Oh,
I don't know why I'm whispering, sorry.
We were whispering about Taylor Swift. Interesting.
Why whisper? Shout from the rooftop.
No, seriously.
So this is where all the magic happens, pretty much. Like all of the ideas for all of the content that you guys see on Clevver Style happens right over here. Wait, is that the? Oh, Sarah, hi.
You're like
Say hello to your fans.
all of my many fans that don't know who I am.
Sarah's our boss. She is our boss, like our actual boss.
Boss lady.
Boss lady. Sarah, making magic happen. And here's Jill working so hard. You have excellent posture.
Glad to hear it. Half the time.
Oh, people always tell me I have terrible posture, so.
Something you should be working on, Sinead.
I know I should be working on it.
This is kind of where we started earlier today.
That's right. So you guys have already kind of met these people. How's the day going? How's it going, you guys?
So far, so good.
Hey, Danny. How's it going? Danny's a stand-up comedian, and she's hilarious.
All right, so we're all starving.
So hungry.
Susan looks so cute.
Thank
So we're going to the counter, which
Does burgers.
has burgers.
I've never tried one actually. Emil's a big
I
fan.
used to work at the counter.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
You did? So is there anything like off menu that's like kind of secret that only the...
I'm literally like walking in the bushes. I'm so sorry.
I mean, it's not off menu, but like the fries are so
The
bomb.
fries are so good. Parmesan fries.
Parmesan fries.
Let's do this. I'm starving. Okay, we just put our food order in, and Emil, who used to work at the counter, who hasn't been there in a minute, recommended us get these Parmesan fries.
So good. So it's shoestring French fries, then it has garlic aioli, and then Parmesan cheese melted on top, and I think it's parsley.
Get in there. Oh, yum. Oh wow, yours looks
Good, yeah.
What is that, Sinead? Or avocado?
Well, this has been fun what we've had going with you, but
We need to eat now.
oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so full. We ate.
So full. We overdid it.
Yeah, so Sinead and I now have to go eat foods inspired by movies. As I burp. So wish us luck. We're shooting movie week on Clevver, much like we're doing Taylor Swift week.
But it's more like a weekend at the movies.
So you should subscribe because we're on this cheat day. We're gonna be eating some of your favorite foods from your favorite movies.
That's right. We just went to lunch, and Jill specifically told us to eat light.
And we specifically chose not to do that. Bridget is committed to her job, everyone.
Look at this.
We're gonna send this to her boss when it comes time for her to get a raise in like 5 minutes. She has been slaving away.
They said it'll be fun, they said.
Yeah. By the way, in case you're like, what is Taylor Swift week?
Much like we're doing Taylor Swift week.
We have an entire week coming up on Clevver Style. We're gonna be eating like Taylor Swift, dressing like Taylor Swift, doing things like Taylor Swift, and we're basically gonna be becoming Taylor Swift's bestest friends.
We get it. It's
Subscribe.
gonna be great. It's
Basically,
really gonna be
subscribe
great,
is what we're
honestly.
saying, and I'm not drunk.
But you know what's this weekend? Weekend at the movies. How is that? Inflections are on point.
Yeah, we nailed it. Okay, great.
We've been filming a lot today. I feel like I don't even know who I am.
This is what happens at the, you guys watch episodes of Cheat Day and you're like, everything seems really weird. It's because we've reached the precipice of sanity and we're teetering.
2 hours later.
Oh.
You have no idea how full we are.
Honestly, it's been like such a day, but
Such a day. I'm so glad we were able to take you around the office to show you what really happens behind the scenes, but something is happening behind the scenes you gotta see before we go. We're gonna turn it around.
it's like a whole freaking party back here right
We're
now.
sharing all of our Cheat Day leftovers with the whole crew, the Clevver team behind the scenes. You guys, that's it. That's the day in the life.
Thanks for hanging out with us all day. It was so much fun.
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say hit the bell.
Hit the bell,
We're gonna say
comment.
comment, and share this video with your friends.
Yes.
And we'll see you back here at Clevver next week.
Yay, you ready to go now?
Oh, I'm ready to go do a lot of things.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Y'all, that was so much fun.
So much fun.
So much fun. And if you want more fun, like a big roller coaster ride, you better click right over here because we have another awesome Clevver Style video.
Do it, do it, do it. And subscribe.
Oh,
And subscribe.
Subscribe right down there. And comment or whatever.
Yeah.
Just do
All the things. Jinx.
Jinx.